Okay, next up we're now going to service a fire hydrant. Same thing with this. You can see with your pipe work, part of the level 1 inspection is to make sure that the pipe work is secured to the wall. It is. Fantastic. We don't have to have a sign on this because you can see it's out in the open. If it was in the cupboard or obscured, we would have a fire hydrant and hose sign on it. Same thing is, we clean all this off. With a level 1 inspection on the hose reel, well actually a fire hydrant, here we go, I made a boot. Even I'm infallible. We give it a good clean off. This here is a V-shaped thread, which in Melbourne or Victoria we call MFB, which is 5 threads per inch. If it was a CFA thread, it would be a rounded thread, and they have 3 threads per inch. This is an old hydrant brand webware. They don't even exist anymore for manufacture. So what we're doing is checking the thread, checking the handles there, checking the handles nice and tight. The nut here is just done up hand tight, because if you do it up too tight, you won't be able to turn it on. And we punch the tag, it'll get a level 1 inspection. And again, October 2015. That's it. Now we're going to go on to a lay flat hose, which is part of the hydrant. Theoretically, there's no level 1 inspection on a lay flat hose anymore. So what we're basically looking at is our couplings. They're good, both lugs are there. This is a hydrant washer into the hose. That way when the hose gets connected to the hydrant, there's no leaks. The other end of the hose, we have what's called a plastic branch or a hose director. Same thing, checking the threads and the lugs, everything's fine. Also inside your director you have a washer. That also stops any leaks. Very hard. That's it, job done. And as per usual, we just give it a bit of a dust and a clean off. Throw that back on. Now, theoretically, this hose would be on a bollard, but because of the area that the hydrant's in, it would be getting knocked off the wall all the time, so it's just sitting here for now. We find the tag, and this one, change around and stamp that in October 2015. Job done. There we go. That's it.